Whether you're starting your journey as a parent or you've been raising young ones, understanding the importance of life insurance is crucial. Now picture this. You are enjoying life's beautiful moments with your family. You're making memories. You're there every step of the way to ensure that your young child or your young children are taken care of, all their needs are met, and everything is going amazingly. But then what happens when the unexpected happens to you? What happens to your kids? Who takes care of them? Would your spouse need to get a second or third job? Are you financially prepared for when the unexpected happens? Life is unpredictable and unforeseen circumstances can happen. And that's why something like life insurance can step in. It basically is that safety net that you need. It protects your family for when these unexpected events happen. This can be sometimes a difficult conversation to have for certain people because when we think life insurance, we're always only thinking about the death benefits. And if something happens to me, my family has this. But let's rewind and talk about this real quick. So how does life insurance work? I mean, everybody's talking about it these days, but let's break it down and let's simplify it. Basically, what life insurance is that you will be paying a premium. So once you get your policy, right, you're paying a monthly premium or an annually premium or quarterly, whichever one you prefer, to an insurance company. And then they guarantee that should anything happen to you, a lump sum, which, tax-free, lump sum will be paid out to your beneficiaries, which could be a spouse or it could be your kids. And the beauty about this is that once they have access to these funds, it can be used for anything. For debt, you can use it for medical bills, for your children's education. Basically, it's money at your disposal. Now, between my husband and I, we have 3 policies and counting. There is no limit to how many policies you can have on yourself. Well, let me just say the limit is to the extent that you can fund that policy. So if you feel like you can fund multiple policies, then get as many policies as you feel like you can fund. But for us, truly, the reason why we did this and got multiple is that there is nothing like the peace of mind that you get knowing that should anything happen to me or should anything happen to my husband, our son is taken care of. Right now we have one. He's 18 months old. We do plan on having more, but should anything happen to us, we have these things put in place that gives peace of mind. And I don't know about you parents, but for me personally, knowing that is done and he's protected, I'm okay. Obviously there are other things in the world that would get you up at night and all that, but this is not one of them because I know the benefits of life insurance and I've been able to leverage that. Now, like most things, the earlier you do it, oftentimes the better. So similar to life insurance, the earlier or the younger that you get that policy, the lower your premiums can be. And there are a lot of factors that would determine how much your premium is going to be and how much you'll be paying monthly or annually. There are medical, there is your risk if your career, different things that could affect that. But the earlier or the younger you do it, most of the time when you're healthy, the lower the premiums that you pay. And it's also not a one size fits all, right? You can customize your policy to suit your family's lifestyle, to suit how much discretionary income you can put into your policy. So it doesn't necessarily have to be that one size fits all. If you think as a family, hey, we can put an extra $1,000 a month or an extra $500 a month into this policy, then the policy will be customized to be able to do that and provide you ultimately that peace of mind that you need. I know when I started on this journey a couple of years ago, I had so many questions. I went in like, okay, well, how much do I need to pay? What happens when this happens? What happens when that happens? What if I want this, but I don't need this in my plan? All of these questions were answered for me. So I was able to really customize it and add what they call riders. And riders are basically an add-on to your policy. So it just basically gives you that control and flexibility that you need in your plan. And if you want to learn more, click that link below. You could take a quick quiz to see where you are and also take the steps to really make sure that you and your family are protected in case the unforeseen happens.